everyone! How you baking? My name is Sean Chong, I'm a chef, and today we will be making fudgy chocolate brownies. This is one of my favorite recipes, it's super easy to make. Everything will be mixed in one bowl. All ingredients is stated in the description below, but before we start, we have to do one of the most important baking rule of thumb, preheating our oven. So let's preheat this baby up.
So let's begin. Here I have my large bowl, and the first thing you want to do is take these eggs, telur, tan. Trying to say two more languages and how to say eggs. Anyway, let's now take our brown sugar and pour it in. What you want to do is you want to whisk this together till it's really well combined and that the sugar is kind of dissolved. I like to use brown sugar because I feel that it really does give more flavor and also moisture to your baked goods. So whisk it and work those muscles because it's a high calorie food. Burn some calories. Yep. Whisk it well till it's nice and combined like this. Then next you want to take your vanilla essence, but in my case I'm using this thing called vanilla butter. Vanilla butter is kind of a essence flavor but not so pungent, and it really does have a beautiful flavor. You can't get it everywhere. I get it somewhere near to where I live. So you want to whisk that a little bit in and then add your fat oil. You can replace this oil amount, half of it, with butter instead for more flavor, but in this case I'm just using oil. Now emulsify it. And emulsifying is combining a fat ingredient with a non-fat ingredient like the egg whites that are in this batter. Mix it till it's smooth like this, kind of like melted ice cream. Then here I'm pointing at my dry ingredients. These are already pre-sifted cocoa powder with plain flour and a generous amount of salt. You want to slowly combine this together. Nice and even. Don't go too crazy lah, because it will explode out. You see the little dot there that I already explode out? Goodness gracious. I was hoping to keep this table clean, but I did not. And now I'm gonna change this whisk for a reverse silicone spatula. A reverse silicone spatula is much better in my opinion because it is easy to scrape the sides of the bowl, especially with something as gooey and fudgy sticky like this. Mix it and combine it well together until it becomes something like this. Then you are ready to put in your dark chocolate coins. You can use dark chocolate coins. I use ones from Barrels. No, they do not sponsor me, but I really like their chocolate. Or you can use any milk chocolate or whatever you like. I also like to usually add roasted walnuts in this. You can put roasted pecans, peanuts, whatever you like. Or you don't have to put anything if you don't want to. So mix it well, and that's it. Good. Now let's go get our tin. Here you have an 8 by 8 inch tin, which is about 2 inches in height, and cut a baking paper that's about that size, the bottom of the pan. Use the remaining oil that you used earlier in your oil bowl and brush all around the tin like so, making sure to get all the sides nicely, and so it will come out easy after baking. Then you want to line the bottom of your pan with this baking paper, press it in nicely, and there it is. Not chantik, but never mind. Next you want to take your fudgy batter, which is super duper sticky by the way, but this is what makes it so fudgy and so good. You want to scrape as much as you can into the pan like so, and then you want to flatten it nicely. It doesn't have to be perfect, don't worry, this will be fine. Something like that. Good. Now let's put it in the oven for about 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Once it's cooled and baked, you want to put it on this flat surface. Actually, honestly, I already re-recorded this. I'm re-recording this because I made a mistake. I forgot to press the record button, so I'm showing you guys again how to get this out of the pan. You want to take a butter knife and cut the sides of this like so before you release it take a flat surface like this, flip it over, and I'm gonna do this again. Ta-da! How impressive. Not really. So here you have your beautiful chocolate brownies, but I'm not quite done. I'm gonna get my other flat board surface and flip it back to its original side. There you go. And I'm gonna put it back again on this brown board and clean the table because I'm OCD. I don't like crumbs everywhere. And put that in the sink. I'm gonna go get my knife and pretend to cut again, but I will show you how I cut my brownies. I cut them into 9 large generous brownie sizes because I am greedy and I have a big appetite, and so does my family. Take a nice piece, plate it up, look how fudgy and delicious that is, and that's it. Hey everyone, so that is it. It's that easy to make. This is so delicious. I can't wait to bite into this. My tip is to put some sea salt because sweet and salty goes really well together. Eating this with vanilla ice cream or whatever ice cream you prefer, it doesn't matter, but I love it with vanilla ice cream. Let me give this a try. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Oh damn good, I need to eat some more. How like this? I'm gonna be around at the end of doing my 10th video. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you did enjoy that. And if you did, please do subscribe pressing the button below and follow my social media links stated somewhere here. If you have any suggestions for future videos, you can comment below. I hope to see you in my next one. So, see you later, alligator. Outro music. Da, 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 yeah.